This problem says, how many different ways can letters H, 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 T, 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 H, H be arranged on themselves? So each arrangement is unique. For example, H, 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 T, T, T. Give the answer in whole numbers, not as factorial expressions. Well, this is permutation, and some items are alike. Tells us exactly which formula to use. So we got H, 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 T, 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 H, H. By the way, the formula wouldn't help you if you're wondering. It's n factorial over n sub 1 factorial, n sub 2 factorial, n sub 3 factorial, dot, 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 up to n sub k factorial or something of that sort. Very hard formula to work with. Looking at the examples is going to be a lot better way for you to understand it. Anyway, we count how many letters we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, did I really have 3 of each? 3, 3. Yeah, I did. Okay. Then I count the number of H's. There's 3 here, 5, or 2 there, there's 5. So that's 5 factorial. Count the number of T's. I got 3 of them. So it's 3 factorial. And now we put that into Excel. So I got 8 factorial divided by, since we have more than a single factorial in the denominator, we'll put parentheses around it. So beginning parentheses, fact 5 times fact 3, closing parentheses. And our answer is going to be 56.